Yes, guys, listen. I want you to pay attention. Let's go through the 26 letters. Actually, sounds, not letters. The 26 sounds. Sounds of the alphabet. The 26 sounds of the alphabet. Here we go. Let's begin with the 5 vowels. After, we will go through the 21 consonant sounds. Here we go. The alphabet has 26 sounds. 5 are vowel sounds, 21 are consonant sounds. Plus, by the way, there is a special vowel, which is this one here. So we can also include it here. But we just have to know that it is a special vowel. And why do we call it a special vowel? This is because it sometimes works as a vowel, other times it works as a consonant. That's why it's called a special vowel. So let's go through the 5 vowel sounds first. And here we go. A, E, I, O, A, E,
Yes.
I, O, A. The 21 consonant sounds. B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. I repeat. B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right? So are you ready? Read after me, guys.
Yes.
Musoma oluvannyuma lwange then mugenda kusoma mwekka. So, A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
E, I,
O,
O,
A,
A,
B, K, D,
D,
F, G, J, K, L,
M,
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 N,
M,
P, Q, R,
R,
S, T, V, W,
U,
X, Y,
E,
Z.
Z.
Those are not saying the sounds, Bananga. Why? Huh? Wait when I select you to read it as one. Hey, you feel fire burning. Hey. feel fire burning and you put it. So now I'm selecting 4 people.
Shall I start with vowel, eh?
Yes.
A,
Mm-hmm.
E,
Mm.
E,
Mm.
O,
Yes.
A,
Mm.
Ba,
Mm-hmm.
K,
Mm.
D,
Mm.
K.
Mm. This one here.
Sure.
Yes. Irene,
Yes, teacher. Don't put it.
we're not hearing you. Bananga, are you hearing her? Do you
Teacher,
hear
you
her?
just had the cock brag. It's
Read for us, please. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm. Mm. Mm.
mm,
Mm.
mm,
Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Mm.
li,
Mm.
z,
Good. Thank you. Thank you.
Where?
Yeah, the sounds. Mm-hmm.
Katera teacher, why you choose me?
Why don't I?
Already,
Why shouldn't I
or,
choose you? First, give me the reason as to why.
already Steve there talking.
I know Steve. I will select Steve when Robina is here.
Ah,
Hey. Let's go. Teddy.
Okay, vowel. We're starting with the vowel.
Hey.
Ah, yes, Christ. Okay. A,
Mm.
E,
S.
E,
Mm.
O,
Yes.
A.
Mm.
Okay. B,
Mm-hmm.
G,
Mm-hmm.
D,
Mm. Yes.
L,
Mm.
M,
Yep.
O,
Mm-hmm. Mm. For your listening. Mm-hmm.
Q,
Mm-hmm.
L,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh.
T,
Mm-hmm.
V,
Mm.
W,
Mm.
X,
Yes.
E,
Mm.
Z,
Thank you. Mm.
E,
Yes.
E,
Yes.
O,
Yeah.
A,
Good.
B,
Good.
K,
Mm.
D,
Mm. Good.
Ga.
Mm. Yes.
J.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm. Mm.
Qua.
Yes.
Mm.
Good. Good. Good.
Mm.
Good.
Wa.
Good.
Ks.
Yes.
I.
Yeah.
Z.
Good. Thank you.
Oh.
Jatereza mpola mpola kati addootira bwerere. N'abantu basinze n'okubasinga. Patricia. Irene tokutuka. Irene, I'm kidding. Patricia.
Teacher.
Tokutukira mu mute kasimanyi. Nenfirwa omwana owuwala. Patricia, please turn on the microphone.
Yes, teacher.
Hey, yes, read us the sounds, please.
E.
Awede. Listen carefully. We are dealing with sounds. A minute, just.